The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Meta platforms with the ticker symbol META. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Meta platforms, and I do a update every week for Meta platforms. However, not much has changed since last week. Looks like prices closed on Tuesday at the kind of like a 214.61 level, and prices are pretty much just like maybe 1 point less. So not much has changed. Looks like prices are still in a nice strong uptrend. You can see how small the corrections are and the angle that prices are moving in. So this is a strong uptrend, and since the channel is still intact, we're not really seeing any signs of weakness from the bulls, which means we're probably going to see higher prices. I don't really have a measure move in play. I could do this really large one. This would be the first leg higher, and this would be the second leg. This one is quite far, but it is possible to reach. It's at the 276. The targets that I'm looking at is more closer. It's the swing highs right here, this resistance level and this resistance level. The first one being the 224 and the next one being the 236. So those are my two levels that I'm looking at. Since prices are still above the EMA, this is a nice strong uptrend. I'm looking for those higher price targets. So really not much has changed for Meta platforms since last week. Still working up very slowly. The market is very dead right now. Very low volatility. So maybe something causes the market to pick up the pace, but as right now it's just slowly working higher to these higher price targets. So everything I have on the daily chart. Here is the weekly. On the weekly chart, I can draw the channel from the bottom swing, and once I do that and I drag it up, you can see that prices are near to the top side of this channel. The top side could be a little bit higher or a little bit lower. Either way, it's near the top side, which tells me that a correction is probably going to be due fairly shortly. I don't know, it's hard to time that exactly, but we can say that it's coming, some type of bigger correction like what we did back over here, because we haven't been near the EMA in a while, and we are near resistance of this channel. So we could see a small little pullback, maybe back down to maybe the 190s. We'll have to wait and see, but as right now, it is signaling a potential pullback in the near term. Again, prices are still working up to those levels I discussed on the daily chart, and if I go and mark that with a horizontal line, you can see that it was the prior resistances in the past. You can see there was resistance back in 2018 at this 217 level, same resistance in 2020 at the 223, so that was a double top. Prices crashed down, reversed, and then it acted as support right here. Prices broke through it, acted as resistance. Now we're coming back up to test it. So this level has significance because price action is testing it on both sides. So it's finding support, breaks down, finds resistance, breaks up, finds support. So basically that level right here is just what I drew right here, and it has significance throughout the price chart history. So I think since we're working up to it, it's probably going to be a good target right around the 225 level. So that's a good target for the bulls wanting to reach. Go ahead and draw this downtrend channel. So this downtrend channel looks to be accurately drawn. However, we found minor resistance on the top side, so maybe it's not going to be coming in play. But let's just say it is coming in play. It does come in play in the future. Then there's a long way for Meta platforms to drop. But as right now, since this is such a large move up, I would be looking for shorts to get trapped instead of longs to get trapped, because it looks like this uptrend could continue much higher. So that's all I have for Meta platforms this week on the daily and weekly. Not much has changed. It's kind of a dead week, for a bunch of stocks. It looks like it's just trickling higher to these swing highs and this horizontal line. and maybe then we'll probably get a bigger reaction off that level. So that's all I have for Meta Platforms this week. Thank you for stopping by and checking my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.